Where's my seat? I'm on board this fancy plane. Wow, what a huge plane. I just wish I would be able to afford first class, but I'm really broke right now. Oh, hey guys. Welcome back to a brand new video. It's Gamer Emily here, and today I'll be playing some Roblox airplane story. So, our captain's speaking, and we are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks smooth, so we'll be arriving at our destination in no time. Well, at least that's what our captain claims. So he says to feel free to explore the airplane. So I'm going to stay near my seat so I know where I'm at. So B7, I am going to check out, where's my luggage? Do I have a luggage up here? Well, looks like I can't open the overhead compartments, so I'll just chill in my seat. Excuse me, Captain. I have one complaint. I have a huge complaint, Captain. There are no TVs on this airplane. Excuse me. Now, please find your seats as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Usually they say air pocket, not turbulence, to not freak out the passengers, because passengers consider turbulence to be a bad thing. Whoa, that is shaky. Whoa, that turbulence is big. There are lots of people on this plane. Wowee. Thank you for your cooperation. People are going to lose health if they stand up during the cooperation turbulence. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everyone. Ooh, snacks! Yum! OMG! Hello, everyone. We are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Thank you for eating when I cross the room for me. Ew! Ew! Disgusting. That is gross. Can I get a refund? Ma'am? Can I speak to your manager? Oh, you said you were your manager? I'd like to see the supervisor. You're your own supervisor? You know what? I want to see your mother. You want your mother, aren't you? Are you? I'm not feeling very well. What's wrong? Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic. She's allergic. Come on. Oh no. Oh no. Ooh, that's my luggage. Oh, someone found it. It was this one, right? Yeah. Let me go back to my seat. Phew, that was a close one. Girl, if you would have died, that would have been a huge problem. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we've reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Autopilot on. You're wondering why am I standing on my seat? Because I know what's going to happen, and I'm not prepared to die. So, good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. Yay! Yes! Few hours! Ooh, BTS fan. Nice. Not really a K-pop fan. Why is the plane shaking? It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Ooh, that right wing is very sparkly. Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? Where? Don't tell me it's on my wing. ... You will not survive. What is that? A demon? Are those snakes? Oh no. Hell no. Hell no. I'm just checking for an open restroom I can run into. Oh no, we're gonna die here. I'm too young to die. I don't want to die. Guys, there's an open... Tell me I got the wrong one. It's all the way over there. Wait, where is the open? Oh, there. Into the restroom. Yes. Ooh, almost everyone made it. Yes. Made it into the open restroom. Phew, that was a very close one. Oh, people are almost dead. Oh, this dude's dancing. Just very chill over here. You okay, people? Party. Oh, party. Party. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. There is a demon. There is a demon on the plane. It came to haunt us because I ate a peanut butter sandwich. It came to haunt us. We're all gonna die. I'm being very silly right now. 7. Why did my seat change? It's all the way. I know your little tricks, little airplane. You don't want me to get the masks. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. The creature on the wing is also gone. It's creepy. I know it's going to drop down somewhere here, and I'm prepared to grab those face masks. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. Hey, what's the good news? The good news is the power is back up. The bad news is... the bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Masks will drop from over your seats. Take one. I took it, right? I took it. Oh no, they took it. Yes, good. La 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 la. I'm gonna join him. Ooh, la 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 la. La la la. Oh, it hashtagged. La la la. La 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 la. My horrible singing. Ooh, what happened? I lost some health. Oh no. La 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 la. Oh my God. What is a bomb? A bomb on the plane. Cut the blue cord. If you cut the blue, you'll survive. Okay, everyone. Calm down. Yes. Go get the scissors. We have to find something sharp to cut the cables. To save whatever her username is. Y'all trying to search the cabinets here. I found a pair of scissors. Which cable should I cut? Blue. No! No! I never picked! I didn't pick! I swear! I didn't pick! Oh no, they died! They didn't make it. All because of me! I feel horrible. I feel terrible! We haven't heard of the crew in a while. Oh, I know where the crew is. We should look for them and check everything is okay. I found... Whoa! They are unconscious. Bro, you flash. We need to alert the captain. Get to the cabin quick. Oh, code is... Grab the code. Grab the code. To the captain's room. Grab the code. It's locked. Oh, I'm not even there. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. I found the code. The door needs a code. If we find it, we might... Dot, 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 dot. Don't teleport me back to the other kitchen, please. It's the creature. It's the creature, the demon. The demon, I was talking about, the evil demon. You will pay for what you've done. Come on, I'm pressing those buttons. You go press those. We're 3 people. We should make it. You think you are here on accident, but you're not. It's not possible, dude. I brought you here. All of you. Nah, that can't be. That is not possible. Agree, agree, agree. It is. And now, it's time to die. No, I'm not dying, kids. I'm not dying. No, I will survive this airplane storm. See you in the afterlife. Mwahaha. I added the mwahaha part. You guys liked it? Now let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Good. Stop pressing clicking buttons. The captain is unconscious. Come on. Come on. The plane is falling. What are we going to do? Press all the buttons. If we had more people. We need to find the autopilot button. It's dangerous to press every button, but okay. Click everything and find the button before we die. Yes. I can't move my mouse properly because of the shaky plane. My arm is shaking. Come on. I died last time because I was the only one on the plane. Nobody survived the snake. I found the button! Yay, I found the button! Yes, yes, yay, yep, party, party, woo! We did it. We saved the plane. Yay! Yas, queen, yas, queen. It has been a very crazy flight. I saved the plane. Yes, I saved the plane. Whoop! Where's the other person? Where did they go? Oh, they're over there. I can see them. Now we all need to do is to find the emergency phone. Oh, I know where the emergency phone is. Over there. Over there. And you're gonna teleport us into a kitchen. It's gonna be the obviously long one. Y'all, oh, hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. I know how to fly a plane. I know how to fly a plane, people. Don't worry. We will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Yes, we are okay. I know how to fly a plane. Autopilot mode is on. Okay, we've traced your location and we are taking control. Good. No, don't end up evil. Please don't end up evil. There's one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. That's gonna be me. I wanna keep the plane on track. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat beside the captain. Yeah, that's gonna be me. That is gonna be me. I am sorry, sisters. That is gonna be me. I'm gonna fly the plane and I'm gonna get us home. So y'all can please leave. No. That is me. I am sitting on the airplane seat and I am gonna fly this plane down. I am gonna fly. Oh no. Okay, everyone. I got this. No. I wanted to. No. Oh no, it's back. I'm gonna not crash this, okay? Please. Please. Don't kill us. Don't kill us. Please. Last chance. Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for eternity. I'm not doing it. Yes! Yes! He's not gonna crash the plane! You humans are so weak. No, we're not. This is not the last time you see me. Bye-bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicia. It's gone! Yay! Wait, he said it was not the last time we see him. What did he mean? Oh yeah, I am totes gonna friend him. He gone. Like Felicia. Gone like Felicia. Oh, blurred it. I survived the airplane. Victory! Yay! Well, guys, I think that's the end of this video. If you want to see more airplane story, smash that like button and comment down below what you'd like to see next. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.